Hello everyone. Take a green apple or a guava and then cut off the top of it. Make sure that it is evenly placed. Now make a slice on either side as such. Taking only one guava for now, add 2 toothpicks on either side. Join in the cut off sides that you have made. Put it aside in the front. Now take the second piece and then cut off the sides. Now taking the third side of it, however, make a different kind of cut. That is, make a slightly diagonal cut. Add 2 seeds on it as such. Add 2 magnetic seeds that lifts at the top and it stays. Now we are making an owl. Make some small triangular cuts out of the fruit that is left over. After this, cut off all of the flesh. Now once you are done with this, take them, make them in some V shape and then add it to the top as ears. Once you are done with this, add it as a beak as well. Take 2 pieces in order to make the beak. Now it should look like a complete owl. Next, start off by taking a tomato. We will be learning how to make a rose. Firstly, slice it into half and then begin to make multiple slices, thin ones, out of them. Once you have done this, arrange it in a straight line. Now, once you have done this, begin to roll it in on itself. This way, it will begin to look like a flower. Add the extras as well as such. Then, take a cucumber and then cut out a strip of this cucumber. After taking a strip, cut off all the fleshy portions of it. Then, make a diamond-like cut out of the rest of the cucumber. Make multiple slits in it. After making the multiple slits, spread them out using your finger and then add them on either side of your flower. Make sure that these are very precise. Flatten it again using your fingers. You may make as many as you like and then you may use different vegetables in order to do so. Next, take a cucumber or a bitter gourd or any sort of gourd and then cut out diamond-like shapes out of them as such. Make a star shape using 2 of them. Pin them together. Now, once you are done with this, add a little cherry to the middle of each of them. Stick them in a little cube of cheese. Put them at the top and this is what it should look like. Next, take this particular guava-like vegetable, make multiple slices out of it. After making the slices, arrange this in this semicircular shape. Add a little tomato in front. In order to spread it out as such, add a little toothpick at the base in the middle. Once you are done with this, add a little base to it such as radish and then at the top, add a little cherry tomato. Take this particular fruit, cut off the sides as such. Give it a somewhat rectangular-like shape. Now, taking only the skin, begin to make multiple small, very thin slices out of it. Fold each of these slices in on themselves after this is done. Fold them inwards as such. Leave only 2 of them out in the open. Do the same for the other piece as well. This should look like a butterfly complete, but that is completed with a bow. Next, take another small portion of this vegetable, make a somewhat curved slit out of it. Now, after you are done with this, slice off one of the sides, starting from the top, and then make multiple V-shaped cuts out of it. This is what it should look like. Now, once you are done with this, add both of the initial constructions on either side. Now, you may add the body of the butterfly and there you have it. Next, take this particular kind of gourd and then make a diagonal cut into it. Cut off the sides as well and then make a slice right down the middle. Cut off the smaller edge of it and then starting from the top, begin to make multiple V-shaped cuts as such all around the longer edge of this fruit. After this, make multiple slices out of the contraption that you have made. Make sure that they are very thin. Make 2 slices to begin with and then make a small slit on one of the ends. Once you spread it out, it should look like a butterfly. There you have it. Spread it out and there. Thank you for watching.